Welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. Let us solve this question on logarithms, and I'm going to be very explicit, and as usual, it's going to be very enjoyable. Sit back, relax, and let's have it. All right. So we have 6 log 2 base x minus 3 log 3 base x equals to 3 log 0.5, 0.2 base 5. So what we are going to do is let me get a better marker. So I'm going to have a name of anyone that fails, I'll use the rest. All right. So I'm going to start by saying, let me first apply the law of power law of logarithms such that this 6 is going to move up. I'm going to have log, you're not good. Log 2, oh, you're not good. Log 2, oh, shit. Log 2 raised to power 6 base x minus log 3 raised to power 3 base x equal to okay, I'm going to keep 3 because this is not in the same base. They're not in the same base, so I will need a little creativity to handle it. All right, so what I will do is to say that I'm going to keep 3. I'm going to have log 0.2 is same thing as 5 raised to power minus 1, then base 5. I am sure somebody will say, how did you get that? Let me show you. 0.2 is something as saying 2 all over 10. That is converting decimal to fraction. You know, many of you will say, what is for small children? But you can apply it in any big math. So this is what you do. So the next thing you are going to do is 2 divide itself 1, 2 divide 10 is 5. So 0.2 is something as 1 all over 5. And 1 over 5 is something as saying 5 raised to power minus 1. And that is why I jumped to this part. So what do I do? This minus 1 is coming to multiply 3. So I'm going to have log 6 base log 2 raised to power 6 base x minus log 3 raised to power 3 base x is equal to minus 3. Because minus 1 multiplying 3 is going to be minus 3. So at this point, I'm going to have log 2 raised to power 6 is going to be 64. Divide by 3 raised to power 3 is going to be 27 all base x. And this is equal to minus 3. So I'm going to, this one will not have common base. So I'm going to, apply exponential equation. So what I'm going to convert logarithmic function to exponential function. How do I do that? I will carry this one to the power of x. Because this statement, this mathematical statement, can be converted to saying, what power am I going to raise this x in order to get 64 over 27? And the answer is minus 3. Therefore, x raised to power minus 3 is equal to 64 all over 27. Let's continue. Okay. Now, wait. Let me use this path. So I'm going to have x raised to power minus 3 is equal to, this is going to be 4 raised to power 3 all over 2 raised to power 3. Now look at this. If you have 2 raised to power x all over 3 raised to power x is going to be 2 over 3 all raised to power x. So I'm going to do that here. So this is going to be x raised to power minus 3 is equal to 4 all over 3 all raised to power 3. Okay, now since their powers are the same, remember they are not the same. This is minus 3 and this is 3. So I can't just conclude. See what I will do. I'm going to have x raised to power minus 1 all raised to power 3, which is equal to 4 over 3 all raised to power 3. So at this point, since their powers are the same thing, I'm going to equate the base. So I'm going to have that 1 over x is equal to 4 over 3. So simply put, that x is something as 3 over 4. That is the final answer. So if you want to check you can now convert this 3 over 4 to fraction, which is 0.75. If you put it here and put it here and check if your answer is going to be correct. Thank you very much for being part of this class. Always remember, the right thing to do is to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it. Have a nice day.